Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic pickles. First, gather your ingredients: fresh, small cucumbers, non-chlorinated water, and pickling salt. You'll also need a clean glass jar and a fermentation lid or airlock. These simple steps will guide you through creating delicious, gut-friendly pickles right in your own kitchen. Let's get started with preparing our cucumbers. To begin, thoroughly wash about 2 pounds of small cucumbers. You can leave them whole for spears or slice them into rounds, depending on your preference. Next, prepare your brine by dissolving 2 tablespoons of pickling salt into 4 cups of non-chlorinated water. Stir until the salt is completely dissolved. Remember, cleanliness is crucial, so ensure your jars and any tools are sterilized before use. Now, carefully pack your prepared cucumbers into a clean glass jar. You can add flavorings like garlic cloves, dill sprigs, or mustard seeds if you wish. Pour the salt brine over the cucumbers, making sure they are completely submerged. Use a fermentation weight to keep them under the liquid. Seal the jar with an airlock lid and let it ferment at room temperature for 3 to 7 days, tasting periodically. After your pickles have reached your desired level of sourness, remove the fermentation lid and replace it with a standard airtight lid. Transfer the jar to your refrigerator, which will significantly slow down the fermentation process. These delicious, tangy pickles can last for several months when stored correctly in the cold. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade probiotic pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.